Miss moms are the most, you moms are the pose, you my pick, you my choice. Just dash show your belly and the back on the road, she the back on the road. Better body.
A few moments later.
Listen, Alkaline drop on bumbo class song when name Better Body. You see it? And the one song with Alkaline dropping out overshadow the whole of Cartel bumbo class album.
2,000 years later.
Moms are the pose, you my pick, you my choice. Just dash show your belly and the back on the road, she the back on the road.
One eternity later.
Fuck shot and now
Yo, pull up this block. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Yeah man, me just done check out Alkaline new song, Better Body. You don't need to go cap that. Song bad. Man I talk real thing about what the girl them really I do. Seeing.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Hey, girl, I got a better body, a better body. Want give you some of this, a stiff cocky. What?
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Wagwan, you don't know one Media Fox pan you know. Yeah man, you know what thing said. People, yo, Better Body and mash up a place, it a take over people. I just a day gone, you know. And the song a tear up a place already, you know, people. Yo, that song I got take his summer by storm. May I tell you, Better Body and Girl Good, them a hold hand together, man, and a walk in a summer party, them, man. May I tell you, the summer event, them, dream weekend, best weekend, the whole of them, all works. It a mash up a place, people. You understand? Yeah, man, but, you get what that brother you say?
Listen, Alkaline drop on bumbo class song when name Better Body. You see it? And the one song with Alkaline dropping out overshadow the whole of Cartel bumbo class album.
John, dog. You can't make see them thing they make him man them here, dog. John, brother, but we not lie still. We see it for real. We see the impact of the song. You see me? Yeah, man, Better Body. May I tell you? Just dash your belly, the back on the road, yo. Song I go on the beat. Alkaline sit down on the rhythm to bombard, yo. The song tough, vibes kicking. You see how when the bass kicking at that? People, I don't know normal. But the man them say song take over one whole album to bombard. John, people, what do you think, sir?
I mean, I wonder, all when I played it up, I say bumbo class. I say, oh, and that's why Alkaline drop bumbo class yesterday. Overshadowed the whole of I Show Brief Blood Clot album. I spite Alkaline do it for the bumbo clot. Yo, the song body of fuck.
Yeah, man, the song tough, man. The song tough, people. You see me?
I sang for summer. Bumbo clot. Better Body. Got dash your belly and back on the road again. Whole level.
Yo. Yo, dog, I tell you, yo, me not lie, brother. Alka, me tell them already, brother. If Alka want run dancehall, him can run dancehall, bro. Sometimes me hear them talk. The man just a easy, bro. The man have girl good at mash up a place and the man forward with a better body to bombard with the girl them, for the girl them. You see me? Yeah, man, a Better Body song. You see it? Yeah, man. But the girl I go tell you what go on.
Yes, moms are the most, you moms are the pose, you my pick, you my choice. Just dash show your belly and the back on the road, she the back on the road.
Bombard. She learn her lyrics them fast already, people. Fast already. Yo, dog. Alkaline I make a girl them happy for summer, people. May I tell you that? Alkaline I make a girl them happy for summer. I know nothing normal, people. Yo, John, what dog? Alka, you look like you're gonna make a girl them mad out for summer, you know, dog. May I tell you that, you know? Yeah, man.
Better Body. They are proper say. Well, Alkaline put in that song, yeah.
Bombard, yo, people. Alka put in another song, you know. But I guess it's the same recipe where them put in a KFC. You see it, Alka put one recipe in another song, yeah. You can't know it. But it just make the head rock, me I tell you.
Where Alkaline find that song, yeah? Where Alkaline find it? Look at you.
Yo, the man full of lyrics, you freak dog. The man full of lyrics. Bro, this is a new flow. Enough people, when them first hear that song, yeah, them wouldn't know say Alkaline. Me I tell you this. The man forward with a new flow, dog. Imagine the man have girl good. When girl good, face, shit, then the man forward in. Better body. Yo, the man get a slow song. When girl good, face, shape. Then the man get a yo. Ain't no normal people. That song you feel summer.
Dog flow. Click the song bad.
Yo, you see that flow there? Man going a different flow, you know. It's tough. Yo. I tell you already. Alkaline tell you already. In our world. Uno no see nothing yet. Yeah, we vendetta Barcelona. Uno no see nothing yet. You understand? Uno have to go keep up. Uno thinks it's a joke. I tell you already. All you know talk about bossy turn crossy. Slip and slide gone down the gully. Them can't find it. Girl good, the up road a mash up party. And look you now. Better body just walk in her bad suit. A entire party up the road. You don't see what I want? Yeah, man.
Moms, on outside or on inside? Eh? Because the song your phone, you know, especially when they make cocoa melon. No, come up. The song bad.
Yeah, man, the song tough. Me I tell you, the song, the Ghana road, dog. Me no know, Alkaline just know what I do. You see me? Man, I say, go for that summer, on a normal thing.
The song bad. The song bad.
Yeah, man. Pally. Tough.
Yeah.
Ah, boy. People. A song tough, you know, I want to play a song, but we just don't want to pick up no copyright. Me I tell you people. You go on that road. From the beat start, your head does a bounce to the rhythm. Me I tell you. It gone. Me I tell you people.
Alkaline find it. Anyways, want to take care of my
People, boy, I don't know they find this brother, you know, but yo, when I watch of you laugh, me laugh in the week.
I got a better body. Want to give you some of this, a stiff cocky. What? Better body.
Yo, dog, me I tell you, bro, I'll come and dance all nice, brother. Me I tell you, brother, yo, I'll come and dance all nice, bro. Me I tell you, brother, yo.
A better body, hey girl, me want to give you this, a stiff cocky. Whop! Hey, hear me? Alkaline. But, piece of track, you just drop my father, you see me? And watch you now, no?
Yeah, man, it track. Why? I don't know. You see, when it comes to music with Alkaline people, I don't know, the youth music that's impactful, like, I don't know, people have to pause and listen. That's one thing. When it comes to Alkaline music, people listen for what I'm going to say. Yeah, man.
Finish summer, the girl them go crazy. One more girl song. You see me? How you rate the artist always a jump out and I go and stir up.
Yeah, man, go and stir up,
The thing, you see me? And that a code, cause you know, so no matter what go on, you know, the comparisons them non-stop, you know.
Yeah, I just that.
See me? One artist are running place, the next artist have a drop something. How many fans them coming in and go and say, yeah.
Well, it's hard for them really keep up with Alkaline, because we are Alka right now. Alka drive a Bugatti right now. I tell you that. Right now, you know what they drive? One BMW. Is it? One of them 1 Series there. You see me? They have to go try for catch up Alkaline right now.
You see me? Feel the artists agree. Remember me tell you, man, girls, better body you wanna have, dog. Yeah, man. Step up, man. I make me see it, man. You see me? Better body.
Yeah, man, the girl them roll out. Better body.
Remember, so me want to give you some of this. Stiff cocky. Yeah, man. I'm going to say, yo, black.
Yo. Yo, where do man get that from, people? Where man get that from? John, know, dog. You know what kind of line that, brother? Man want to change the song, dog.
Cool. Green DNA, I said that. You see me? Jump up there. I'm getting job.
Man to the pose, you pick him a choice. Just dash for your billion.
They back on the road, they back on the road.
They back on the road, she back on the road.
Yo, people, go buy and stream the songs by Apple Music. That one ya loud. May I tell the people. That one ya, it loud.
Alkaline find another song, a summer song this. Whether you don't like it or not, this is going to ring this summer. Remember when you find pussy, it's one other one here. Yeah, you see girl them now with them belly, and now for them chest like a castle living. Yeah man, they're outside the song bad.
Yo, it's the next summer. Brother, when you see the people them matter, bro. The people them love the song. May I tell you, them love the song. You see me? Them love it. That song yeah, the beat, everything. To give me a back in the day dancehall beat. It tough, may I tell you people. Yo, people. You see our head a move right now? The song makes you hypnotize. It's like, remember you know? I don't know what she watch. But she just a look down. Seeing? The song just a kick in her head. A beat, she can't stop move her head. Right now, before she go to bed or asleep, a beat, she asleep and a dream, a better body she a sing. And she don't even know right now. Yo, people, look on her face. You know what that face I tell you say? That face I tell you say, yo, Alka, you're fine it. Your body out. May I tell you, you make dancehall nice. Look on her face, people. It's how Alkaline make a girl them feel. Make a girl them feel active again. You understand? But listen what I go on. Watch it. You see that reaction there, face reaction there a while ago? Yo, Alkaline always have a girl them lock. May I tell you. He make a girl them go crazy. It come like the man music. Come like some pill. You see me? What they take? May I tell you? People, may I tell you though? Yo, I not stop movie rest I did. A better body shooting, I would not play, may I tell you that. You see it? Yo, let me tell you people. You know why worst thing? Alkaline I only dancehall artist when I kinda see yo. When him drop some song, it's like everybody just grab onto it. Like audio without video, like them listen Alkaline music. Like them actually listen. You understand? That's how with him, them always I look forward to Alkaline music. Song bad. You understand? Yeah, man.
The song, that song Alkaline, better by the bad piece of song. Anyways, want to take care of my gun now. Bye.
Yo, Alkaline.
Yo, the brother yeah, channel. Is a next banger. Listen what I go on.
Yeah, for the girls, I'm again.
Just dash for your belly and the back on the road.
Hold on. The man just said us dash your belly and you're out again. Like, what the fuck?
Back on the road. Just dash for your belly and the back on the road. Just dash for your belly and the back on the road.
You know, some I feel Alkaline I do this despite the matter as you. Just dash it that and come back here, some man. We good.
No, man. Man, I said, them do it. Them dash for your belly and the back on the road. Mean say, yo, the girl them will do it. Is it? So basically, it's like you would attack. Like a girl, like it's like, say a girl just Ray do what she do and she tell her friends. Like she tell her friends, say, yo, Ray, back on the road, you know. That's a reality. I saw Alkaline music still. That's a reality. Something will happen already. You see me?
You see that youth here?
Yo, that song yeah, it no normal. I tell you that. It no normal people. You see it?
No man, never gonna like this. Alright.
Ready, people. This is what I go on, you know. People go buy and stream. What me say? Go buy and stream. This song and mash up a place. You understand? Yo, you see that flow, yeah, people? That flow they don't normal way I do right now. Tight lane. Right lane. Yeah, man, come and get you song it. But it beat everything. Know yourself.
Yeah, another day, another day.
Alright, so Ella go tell you what I go on.
You dig? Yeah, man, me just done check out Alkaline new song, Better Body. You don't need to go cap that song, bud. Man, I talk real thing about what the girl them really a do. Seeing girl have abortion and then goes up bam and set up her body again and goes and go on the street again, go and take some other dick. You dig? Yeah, man, I real talk, the man I talk, man. That song I go run the summer. This is a good girl song. You see it? The kind of slackish, but it alright. You see it? No lyrics are spitting it. That's what I'm showing you know. Alkaline know him I do. You see it?
Man know him always, brother. The man is a musician, bro. If you realize, the man not too focused on the media and them little thing there. Music, the man say. The man say, if you think me go party and girl out me thing, and music, me say, that the man say, brother. You understand? Him study the room, him see what I go on.
Man himself, he dropped yesterday. Wanna go check it out, Better Body. It's full of vibes. You see it? Full of beer vibes. That me I tell you. Yeah, that's the thing there. Alkaline to the street. That one here is a hit. Remember me tell you no.
Yo, when you hear Ella tell you, that one is a hit. Remember me tell you that. I think I chattings. Yeah, man, so people, I buy and stream the album. You see me? Buy and stream. The song I go on, the kick up. You see me go over Spotify, iTunes, all of them places, man. You see it? And nothing normal, people. Remember me tell you that. You see it, so. I don't know the things set already. You see it? I want me the facts on the app. You see me? So, people, on have a comment section, tell me about the song. Tell me about the Better Body song. You see me? Make sure so you have it in a vehicle and not drive and everything there. Bass a kicking. You understand? But don't know say vendetta girls them supposed to them ringtone and them them favorites in them car in the song. Every little thing. You see me? Yeah, man. So you don't know, but stream up a song. You see it? And make it place nice. You see it? You don't know, people. Big up on yourself. I want media facts, man. Respect for your support. You see me? Yeah, man. You don't know. That is it.